Cover your mouth. Cover your mouth.
Ito lang sa kuwan. Oh, ground therapy yan. Tanggal mga radiation. Ang ganda yung ground therapy, tanggal yung radiation.
Don't cover my head daw. Don't cover my head. Only your your body. Yeah. But not your head. Don't cover my head daw. Toto will not cover your head. Hey, be careful. Baka
Photos will
mata.
cover you. Oh.
Be careful, oh. Oh, wow.
Marami po nga.
Thank you po.
Opo.
You'll cover my head, okay?
Okay. Totos will not cover your head.
Only your body.
Only your body. Look at here, my love. You're happy, you're happy?
And just
Are you okay with that? Are you fine?
okay, that's enough, that's enough.
That's enough, that's enough. Okay, that's enough, that's enough.
Body. Babad ka dyan.
Sa dibdib kayo nabibigatan yan.
Bangin maano.
Okay na.
Baka napakan mo.
Baka mapakan. Okay, enough na, enough na.
Healthy yan kasi ground therapy, tanggal yung radiation.
That's enough na daw.
Kababa siya ng radiation. We put something a little here.
Do not cover my head.
You lay down lang, my love. You lay down only. And straight lang, my love. Lay down. Just relax. Just relax.
Picture you. Picture.
Hina, baka mga dati yung baba. No, do not be scared. Is it heavy?
Hindi ka makakatakot.
Is it heavy?
Okay.
That's enough daw, that's enough.
Picture.
Picture, mommy will take a picture on you. This is the shovel on your top. Okay, wow. Nya, hindi sa'yo to silog. Yung sa'yo to silog, ah. Oo. Ito sa baby ko. No. Wow, you're so strong. No. Nathan is so strong.
Power up na.
No, only few minutes. Nag 1 minute ba? Wala nga eh. Only 2 minutes lang pala. 2 minutes nag-ano pala ako dito. Oh, no. Nathan. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye, my love. Look at the camera. And say bye-bye. Look at the camera. Mommy said look at the camera. Okay.